We'll guide you through how to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Zoom ins are a great way of putting more emphasis on something. You can go and zoom it in and it's a cool effect, and it can go and make the video more engaging. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step in CapCut PC. There are different types of zoom ins. You could do a fixed zoom in or a smooth moving one. So we're going to guide you through both. So first of all, we'll start off with the fixed one. So you can go and place your playback cursor where you want the zoom in to begin. Then you make a split with Control and B, or press the split button just here. Then you can go and play it back or drag this cursor along until you go and find where you want the zoom to go and stop and to zoom out again and make a split. Then you want to go and select the part you want to go and zoom in, and you can use the scale here in Video Basic and Scale and Transform. You can also go and click, hold and drag as well. Now, when you go and play it back, you'll see it just does a fixed zoom. Alternatively, you can do a smooth moving zoom. So to get started with that, choose where you want it to begin, come into Video Basic and Transform, make sure you got the clip selected, and go to the right of Transform and press Add Keyframe. Then you can go and play back and move the cursor and decide where you want the zoom in to be next. You could do the full zoom in, so it's all in one motion, but if you want to go and change the speed of it, you can make different keyframes and do different adjustments for each one. So I'm going to do that second option. I'm going to make it a bit different. So what we can then do is go and increase the scale like so. It should automatically add another keyframe, and you can then go and click, hold and drag to adjust it. And I'm then going to go and move the playback cursor again and just continually make small adjustments. It can go and look a bit cooler than it all being in one. And you can keep playing this back and make different adjustments and different zooms to go and change it. And then we can go and zoom out again. So I'm just going to do that all in one motion. I won't go and change it. So I'm going to go and drag it to here. I want to be zoomed out by this point, and we can then go and zoom it out with the scale. Then we can make sure it fits the preview again, like so. You can now see it's back again, and let's go and play it back, and you can go and see how it go and is. So it's going to go and vary as that's how we made it. But that's it. Keyframes are a great tool. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.